Hello guys, today we will learn about descriptive statistics in R Studio. So to do first we import a data file. You can see my previous video where I told about how to import Excel file and how to import CSV files. Now here I just imported a data set name as construction, and you can see my data set which contains year, public employment and private employment. Okay, so we will go for the descriptive statistics. You can see that to calculate the minimum value of the variable, just type mean and provide the data name and dollar sign, and you will see the variable name and select the variable just as data, provide dollar sign, and you can see that here my three variables year, public and private. So according to your requirement you will select the variable which you need to get the minimum value. So in this case I have chosen the data and public. So run it and you can see that the minimum value is 83,832 triple zero. So in this way you can get the minimum value. And if I want to know the second variable, that is private, the same function I used, and you can see that my second variable's minimum value is here. Now we will calculate the maximum value, and you can see that maximum value for the function is max and data sign function. And if I want to know the private, just type your private maximum, private variables maximum value, just same type just private here. Now if I want to range of the variable, means minimum and maximum, and you can see that this is the range value of the public employment, which basically maximum minus minimum. Range means maximum minus minimum. So I just write here the function is maximum minus minimum and provide the name of the variable and data set. Now if I want to calculate the mean of the variable, just type mean and provide as same like earlier, data dollar sign and the variable name. And if I run this, you can see the mean value is here. And there sometimes the mean value calculation of mean value creates problems, because if you have any missing value in your data set, then you need to just add the function na dot rm equals to true. It means that it basically excludes or avoids the missing values to calculate the mean. And if you want to calculate the median of the variable, just type median data uh, dollar sign and provide the name of the variable, as my name of the variable is public and my name of the data set is data. So I just run it, and you can see the median value is here. In this way, if I want to calculate the first quartile, just type quantile, and first quartile means I want to know the 25%, and just run it, and you can see that 25% or first quantile value is this one. Okay. And if I want to know the third quantile or 75% value, then just write here 0.75%, 75, and run it, and you will get the 75% or third quartile value. And one of the main thing is that you don't need to write first quantile, third quantile. I just write here to assure you that which is which code is for which purposes. Okay. So if I want to calculate the interquartile range IQR, then type IQR in capital, and provide the data set name and variable name, and you can see that this is my IQR value of the public employment. And if I want to calculate the standard deviation, just type ST, and you can see that your public employment standard deviation or fluctuation is this one. And if I want to know the variance, just type var, and you can see the variance calculated. And now if I want to know the summary of the data, where mean, median, like that, so just type summary and provide the data name, and you will get the summary of your data set. Here you can see that I have public and private variable, where you can see that this is the minimum value, first quartile, median, mean, third quartile, and maximum value, which was we calculated separately, but in summary function you will get it very easily. Okay. Now if I want to provide our summary of the data set according to our any categorical value, so in this case we need to type here by function, by provide the dataset name, and provide the categorical value, or which the variable name on the basis of which you want to get summary. So in this case I have only year left, so I will try to summarize my dataset according to my year. So if I run this, and you can see that this is the value of year 2012, and this is the public, private, and the summary of the public and private variable. And you can see that 2012, 2011 means it separates, or it creates the dataset summary according to my year. Now if I want to know more about the descriptive statistics, so I need to install Pastecs, Pastecs, and if you will install it, then library it, and type the code stat.desc, and provide the data file name, and run it. You can see that your uh, summary is here, and you can see the minimum value, maximum value, range, sum, median, mean, standard error of mean, confidence interval, variance, standard deviation, coefficient of variance. There are several descriptive statistics in one frame. So if I want to round this, uh, you can see that the variable is rounded in up to 2 digit after the point. So in this way you can round. Now, if I want to calculate the coefficient of variation manually, then type st and provide the name of the variable and divide it by mean. And we know that the formula of coefficient of variance is st by mean. So we will put the formula and we run it, and we will able to see the coefficient of variation. This is 0.1219, and you can see from here